Struggling to apply vendor credits when making payments in Zoho Books? Learn the exact steps to record a payment made for vendor credits in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to open the payment screen and select the vendor. Then, we'll enter the payment details and apply the credit. Finally, save and review the record. Let's open Zoho Books. Click on Vendor Payment. Click on Select Vendor to choose the vendor you want to pay. For this example, select Bobby AI. Type in the payment amount. Click Yes to confirm the payment. Type a reference number for this transaction. If you want to pay the full amount, click Save as Paid. Click Save as Paid. Review the payment record. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.